Welcome to the ArtyRV channel and tonight's Q&A, where you can ask us questions about stained glass.
Or any other kind of glass for that matter. And
we've got a few questions that came in this week, so we could start with those.
We could do that, Barb. We could go ahead and start with those.
Can stained glass be tempered?
No, because of its chemical makeup. The people that own the tempering facilities, and I've asked them to try and temper the glass before for us, and it can't do it. When you're tempering glass, float glass has a different chemical makeup for it. And when you're tempering glass, the tempering oven goes up to about 1147 degrees. And most of your art glass has already started to bend at that temperature. And then it's cooled rapidly, both top and bottom, with fan forced air. They're actually like they're turbines from a jet engine is what blows. And the art glass end of it, CD glass, always have people wanting to, what you have to keep in mind are the codes for art glass is you're allowed up to about a 6-inch by 6-inch square piece of glass. It should be the largest piece of glass that you should insert in each individual panel in your stained glass window. You can't, big stuff right here, somebody will push it out or whatever. The whole idea
especially in public places.
Yeah, and the whole idea behind art glass is that it's multiple pieces, multiple colors, but no, you can't temper art. Like Wismec, Kokomo, and all them, you can't.